Hi children, I am going to explain a problem from trigonometry for 10th class. I have written one question on the board. If sin theta plus 2 cos theta is equal to 1, then what is the value of cos theta plus 2 sin theta? Actually, this question asked by one my favorite student only. Now look at for him and for others also I am going to teach. Listen here and learn more. Now look here what is given in the question. Sin theta plus 2 cos theta is equal to 1. Here clearly it has given LHS side sin theta plus 2 cos theta and RHS side 1 there. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Why I am squaring on both sides? Listen here. In the trigonometry, we have some identities. Only 3 identities. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So here square there because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. For that I am going to squaring on both sides. Sin theta plus 2 cos theta whole square is equal to 1 square. You can connect with algebraic identity. What is the algebraic identity? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now here sin theta is a and 2 cos theta is b. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You can expand this one in the 3 terms. Now what is a sin theta whole square plus b square means 2 cos theta whole square plus 2 a sin theta b 2 cos theta is equal to 1. That implies sin square theta plus 4 cos square theta plus 2 to the 4. You can multiply. Here 2 numbers there. 2 and 2. 2 to the 4 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Now you can connect with the identity, trigonometric identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Or now interchange the formula. 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here 1 means sin square theta plus. You can apply here. Now sin square theta plus 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta is equal to what is the value of 1? Already given here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. You can write here sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now you have some LHS, some RHS there. In LHS side sin square theta there. In RHS also, in RHS also you have sin square. You can transfer this side, you will get to minus. 1 plus 1 minus should be cancelled. Now sin square theta, tan square theta cancelled here. Now 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta is equal to cos square theta you got. Next you can connect with auxiliary formula. What is the auxiliary formula? Here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then cos square theta is equal to, you can transfer sin square that side. It becomes 2 negative. Then sin square theta. Now here cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Here cos square theta is equal to, now 4 of 1 minus sin square theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta is equal to cos square theta. Now look at children. 4 1 ja 4 minus 4 sin square theta. Now 4 1 ja 4 minus 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta dot cos theta is equal to cos square theta. You got. Next, what you will think, only 4 you can write this side, remaining all you can transport that side. Now 4 minus 4 sin theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta is equal to cos square theta. You can transfer this total terms that side. So 4 is equal to cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta plus minus 4 sin theta cos theta. Look here, this is cos square theta plus this is 2 sin theta whole square minus 2 into cos theta into 2 sin theta, because finally you will get this only 2 to the 4. So sin theta cos theta. This is 2 square means 4 only, sin square theta. Now you can think this is a square plus this is b square minus 2. A means cos theta, b means 2 sin theta. This is total a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square. What is a? Cos theta plus minus what is the b? 2 sin theta whole square. Now look here, 4 is equal to cos theta minus 2 sin theta whole square. This is 2 square is equal to cos theta minus 2 sin theta whole square. Square square cancel, then cos theta minus 2 sin theta is equal to 2. Hence proved. Hence proved. Here finally, what I am thinking, cos theta minus 2 sin theta is equal to, what is the value of cos theta minus 2 sin theta is equal to 2. Therefore, cos theta minus 2 sin theta is equal to 2. Thank you.